It's AumSum time!
What if Mars replaced the moon?
Don't worry. AumSum the superhero will save the moon.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Mars replaced the moon, Mars is used to revolving around the sun. Like Moon, it may not revolve around Earth. Secondly, if Mars replaced the moon, astronauts who are just about to land on the moon may have to quickly change their plans. Thirdly, moon shines brightly in the night sky. If Mars replaced the moon, our nights may not seem that beautiful anymore. Fourthly, moon influences waves in our oceans. If Mars replaced the moon, Mars is almost double the size of moon. Even the size of waves may double. Fifthly, if Mars replaced the moon, Moon may join hands with other moons. They may toss Mars out of the solar system. Lastly, if Mars replaced the moon, other moons might get wary. They might start learning Kung Fu.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
Topic: gravitational force. Why do you weigh less on the moon? Hey, what are you doing? It is not possible. You cannot fly on Earth. Please listen. Look, I had warned you. Now, why don't you try the same activity on the moon? There, you will weigh much less, and thus, you can fly short distances. See? I was correct. Do you know why you weighed less on the moon? To understand this, we need to first learn about weight. No, not those weights. Weight is the force with which an object is pulled towards the center of the Earth or any other celestial body. This force is called the gravitational force. Greater the gravitational force exerted by the celestial body, more will be the weight of an object present on it. So, does this mean that the moon exerts less gravitational force than the Earth? Bingo! You are right. But do you know why? This is because gravitational force is directly proportional to the mass of an object. Greater the mass, greater will be the gravitational force exerted by it, and thus, more will be our weight. As the moon has lesser mass than the Earth, it has a weaker gravitational pull, and hence, we weigh less on the moon. Topic: lunar eclipse. Why does the moon turn red?
To scare us.
No. Moon does not have a light of its own.
Why? Didn't he pay the electricity bill?
Oh, please listen. Sunlight or white light is a mixture of visible colors. Now, when the sunlight falls on the moon, it reflects all these visible colors equally, making the moon to mostly appear white. However, during a lunar eclipse, when the Earth is exactly between the sun and the moon appears red. This happens because of the Earth's atmosphere. When the sunlight coming from the sun passes through the Earth's atmosphere scatters the colors of the sunlight, having shorter wavelengths. However, red color, which has the longest wavelength, is least scattered. Hence, it makes its way to the moon, making it look red.